Really quick before we get started with this video, leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you're from. City, state, country. I just want to know where all the viewers are coming from. I was looking at some analytics information for the old channel today and found out that I was having viewers from all over the world, really heavily from the United States and Canada, which is totally understandable, but from the UK, Australia, South Africa, all over the place. Really, really interesting. So I thought it'd be cool if everyone watching this video right now would just quickly comment where you're coming from. Don't have to be super specific, but you know, a general geographic region or city, state, country, like I said, would be pretty cool. Let's see where everybody's from. Really quick little video today. I have a little delivery that I've been waiting for months for. The seller was a hassle. I'll leave a link in the description below, but I won't leave the link to the seller that I've been dealing with personally. I'll give you a different one because I assume anyone is better. I don't want to say nothing special because I don't want you to turn the video off, but it's a really a small little addition to the car that I think everybody's doing, and I thought, why not? Cheap enough, let's do it. So I got a couple of these bad boys. The Infinity logo projector lights for the doors. They're like 13 bucks for a pair on Amazon. Cheap enough. And if you're not familiar, they're the little floodlight that when you open the door, it illuminates the ground by your feet. But in this case, it will project the Infinity logo. So it's honestly been so long since I ordered these. I can't even remember what they looked like. I won't go into the story. They're here. They look right this time. I'll show you how to put them in. One of these little pry tool, or you could be really careful with a screwdriver, I suppose, if you want to, but I don't recommend it. Use something like this, a little pry tool or a popsicle stick, for crying out loud. So just open your door. And we're replacing these lights here. I don't have my stand, so we'll try to do this one-handed, but it should be fairly easy. Little pry tool, yeah, just pops behind the light, bam. And just going to press down here, the little tab, you'll feel it, and pull the wiring out. And very simple, pops right out. Here's our light. It works. I was sent the wrong ones originally, and they wouldn't fit properly in the door, so we'll see if these fit. Oh, perfectly, snapped right in. So now when you open your door, little floodlight will have the Infinity symbol. Try to put a notebook there because it's not showing up well in the light. We'll take a look at it in the dark later on. You can see here. Pretty cool. For 13 bucks, it's kind of a neat little feature. Super easy to install too, so you might as well do it. Go for it. Again, link in the description below. Don't forget, let me know in the comment section below where you're viewing from. Really interested to know. If you don't know already, we're in beautiful Greenville, South Carolina, the upstate of South Carolina. Close enough to the beach, close enough to the mountains. A lot of cool stuff in this area. If you're from here, let me know as well. And if you ever see me out on the road or at Cars and Coffee, make sure you stop by, shake hands, introduce yourself. Always up for chatting with some viewers. Actually, just a week or so ago at the airport, I had the first person ever stop and say hello to me, recognize me from the videos, which was pretty cool. I will say, if you're watching, I apologize that I seemed like I was a little brain dead that morning. As you know, you were at the airport early as well. It was very early, and I was actually preparing for a pretty big sales meeting in Chicago, so I was having a lot of stuff going through my mind, and when you asked about YouTube, I was kind of like really unsure what you were talking about. I couldn't imagine that somebody actually recognized me from the video. So if you see me again, I promise I'll be more engaged. But nonetheless, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned. A lot of cool stuff coming up this summer. I promise you. I promise. So thanks again. See you next time.